If you want to make the best TIG weld possible, you've got to clean that mill scale. In this very short video, I hope to drive that point home. Hot rolled steel has a thick layer of oxidation that inhibits the flow of the metal. It sparkles, it spits, it sputters, you'll get porosity, you just won't get the best results. You can see the soot on the side of the bead where that stuff outgassed. It'll clog a gas lens, it'll get on your electrode, and it just kind of squishes all the fun out of TIG welding. Let's run a bead now over an area that's been cleaned properly, down to clean bright metal. Not just with a wire wheel, but clean bright metal where all the mill scale is removed. Look at how much better that's flowing, and it's flowing at lower heat, so I'm able to make a smaller bead without even trying. Now let's take another look where we weld over clean metal and then transition into an area that's got hot rolled mill scale still on it. Things are going well, and then when I enter into that area with the hot rolled coating, now it's like welding in a bowl of cornflakes. It just looks like crap. There's stuff boiling out and depositing itself on the toes of the weld. It's just very difficult to have any fun at all or enjoy the process if you have to TIG weld over hot rolled mill scale. Take it a step further, weld over nice clean metal, but then also use something like a gas lens with a Jazzy 10 ceramic. Now it flows like butter. Now you can flow that puddle along. Now you can get way better results. Gas lens really helps, but the main point is clean that mill scale. You'll get way better results.